How to review your profile activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review your profile activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and now just click activity log and go down, click profile profile information, and then click profile. And as you see here, you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.